G'day, I'm Ty from Aussie Escape Caravans, way to go. So today I want to talk about the electric brake control unit. This is an essential piece of equipment for any tow vehicle like this Mitsubishi Pajero Sport that needs to tow a 3-ton caravan. So what does an electric brake controller do? Its primary function is to supply variable power through to the electric brake hubs in the caravan. This happens automatically when you depress your brake pedal. It is a legal requirement to have brakes on a caravan or camper trailer over 750 kilograms. To install the brake control unit, we hardwire a circuit breaker in under the bonnet to the start battery. We run the cables in through the firewall, connect the brake control unit, and run further cables to the rear of the motor vehicle into the trailer socket. Fitting a brake control unit isn't that easy. We recommend to have it installed by a qualified automotive technician. So that's how an electric brake control unit works. It's an essential item for any caravan owner. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or want to see more videos like this one, please visit our website.